Let's understand what happens when we fast. After about 12 hours of not eating, your body says, hey, looks like I'm getting no food in me, so let me utilize my body's own resources for energy. It does so by utilizing glycogen, both from the liver and the muscle. During this phase, it also keeps your blood sugar stable. Now, after about 12 hours, when it needs more energy, it does so by converting protein to glucose through a process called gluconeogenesis. It's at the end of this phase that you go into ketosis. After 16 to 18 hours is when the true magic of fasting really begins. You get a surge in growth hormone, which is the hormone that you require to look young as well as to grow new muscle. You also increase BDNF, which is brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is essential to make new brain cells. How fantastic is that? You also go into a phase of fat burn because you increase adrenaline hormone, which increases your basal metabolic rate. That's when you burn fat and lose weight. After 24 to 36 hours is when you go in through a process called autophagy, which is cell death, and you also remove your old dead cells through a process called apoptosis, both of which are required for longevity and can also ward off certain cancers. Make sure though you do fasting under medical guidance, because if done incorrectly, it can actually cause an imbalance in hormones and do you more harm than good. But all this is available to you completely free through your body's own benefits of natural healing mechanisms. So make sure you do it and do it well.